to Become Smart by Jeremiah Manoas. Guide to Become Smart like Albert Einstein. Table of Contents. Slide 3. How other people became smart. Slide 4. Tips to become smart. Slide 5. Habits of smart people. Slide 6. Things about Albert Einstein. Slide 7. Preview. Slide 8. Credits. How other people became smart. Albert Einstein became smart because of childlike curiosity. Albert was super curious. He wanted to learn about it. Albert went to Harvard in 1935, and that's how Albert Einstein became smart. Tips to become smart. Practice memory, executive controls, and visual spatial reasoning activities. Practice relational skills. Learn to play new instruments like flute and piano. Learn some new languages. Frequent reading. So you should read more. Continue education. Start exercising daily. Lower your screen time. Explore video games, but not for too much. While your imagination runs free, and practice meditation. Habits of smart people. They have more than 150 IQ. They believe they can do better. They get enough sleep. They don't compare to other kids. They have a sense of purpose. They ask for help. They read for pleasure. They get curious. They don't give up. And they balance schoolwork with pleasure. Things about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein went to University of Zurich. He did the elevator dot experiment. He did the Austrian deal. He did the Avogadro number. He did the wave-particle duality. Preview. We learned how to become smart, habits of smart people, and lots more. We also learned about Albert Einstein and how he became smart. Credits. Science.org, Byju's.com, Medium.com, Healthline.com, Indeed.com, Entrepreneur.com, BetterUp.com, TheSchoolRun.com, Wikipedia.com, and PhysicsCentral.com.